my channel. It is Hannah at X The Art Of. Today I have a really exciting YouTube video to show you guys. If you do not know me in real life, I'm a huge crafter. Like, I love to do things with my hands. I'm very DIY oriented. Anything that I can do myself rather than buy, I prefer to do. And the same is true when it comes to the holidays. So I love to give gifts. That's like the best part of Christmas for me. I have like a little pile building up over here of all the things, and I have more orders coming in of things that, I'm getting my family and friends. But at the same time, I am, also a teenager and I don't have a huge source of income. It does get a little bit tight budget-wise. And that's where the DIY side of makeup comes in. I love to make stuff. Anybody who receives gifts from me on the annual basis can tell you that I make a lot of really cool things. The past 3 years I've made soap for people. I've made perfume. I've made lip balms. I've made articles of clothing. Like last year I embroidered a hat for one of my cousins. I just love to make stuff. Like, it's the best. Nothing better than watching somebody open a gift that you handmade and they understand how much time and effort was put into it. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple of ideas for this year of things that I've been making for my family and friends. I think that I want this to be a series of a couple parts. It can be throughout the year as well, just little DIY things. I think this week and next week are both going to be DIY videos, so if you need ideas and you're on a budget for Christmas and you still love to give and you're artistic or hands-on like me, then keep watching. For the first DIY gift, we're going to be making some shrink plastic earrings. Making your own earrings has become a huge fad on TikTok recently, so you can just use shrink eating paper or number 6 plastic, which is the kind that takeout food comes in. And then obviously you're going to need some scissors and a Sharpie. I started by drawing out my designs. I did some boba, pizza, little succulents, and some baby Yodas. I cut them out using this, obviously my scissors. And then I'm going to use my tiny little hole punch. You can just also use a regular hole punch to make the spaces where the jump rings are going to go when I actually make the earrings after they're shrunk down. Don't worry, the holes do not stay this big. Once you put them under heat, they shrink to little tiny pinpricks. So you just have to make everything kind of 3 times bigger. And once you put them in the oven or the toaster or the air fryer, which is what I'm using, they'll shrink down. So I just did that for all of them. You want to make sure that there's going to be enough room for the jump ring to actually fit, and you want to make sure that it's not too close to the edge so that it breaks while it's baking. I've been making earrings pretty much all this quarantine. I bought the stuff that I needed on Amazon, and I've been using shrink plastic or clay to make earrings, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so much fun, and it's really easy and obviously cheap and quick. And I can make literally whatever, even things that I could never find online. Once the earrings were all hole punched, I put them on a brown paper bag in my air fryer for 3 minutes at 350, and look at how cool they are. They shrunk. I took them out, and spoiler alert, the bobas did not come out. Flattened them right away. I used a cup, and then I just kind of pried them off. This is hilarious. So watch. If you look at my pointer nail, it melts off because the pan is so hot, and I didn't realize it until after, but you can literally see my nail melting off, which is crazy. But yeah, this boba did not want to come off, and when it did, it was super curved, so you just have to be careful of that, really get it off very, very quickly. So once I had my tiny little earrings minus the bobas, I grabbed my paint and I went to work on them, coloring them in. You can do this beforehand if you have really good Sharpies, or some of the shrink paper does have a sanded side where you can use crayons or colored pencils to color in your designs before you bake them. But I personally think the acrylic paint looks nicer. Once I was finished with that and they had all dried, I put my little jump rings and earring backs on, and I packaged them up using some thick paper, and look at how adorable they are. I also made these little tractor beam UFO ones. The pizzas were a little bit too big for earrings, so I decided to make those into keychains, and look at how cute those baby Yodas are. For the next DIY gift, we're going to be making some exfoliating coffee soap. I started with half a package of natural goat milk soap base. I melted that down, and to the melted base I added 2 tablespoons of Folgers ground coffee, mixed it with a wooden stick instead of a spoon so the wax wouldn't stick. In a separate bowl, I melted down a 1/4 cup of shea butter, and then to another bowl, I added half of a cup of brown sugar and a cup of granulated sugar, and then I added the melted shea butter when that was done, and then finally I added the soap and coffee mixture from earlier and popped them into cute little silicone tins, Christmas tree shaped, and sprinkled a little bit more ground coffee on top. The sugar and the coffee really exfoliates dead skin cells to get rid of them. It makes your skin like super smooth, so I really love this recipe for that. I let them sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and when they were nice and solid, I took them out, and look at how cute they are. They work like heaven and they smell amazing. The next DIY, just like the earrings, is super customizable, and that is make your own stickers. So I went on Google Images and I copy and pasted, again, a picture of Baby Yoda, I'm kind of obsessed with him, into a Google Doc, and then all I did was cropped the picture to the size that I wanted the actual sticker to be, because unlike the earrings, these will not shrink. And then I went to image options and recolor and chose the grayscale option, which, if you did not know, makes a picture whatever color tint you want it, and this one made it black and white. I printed my stickers, cut them out, and colored them, and then I put them through my sticker maker. If you do not have a sticker maker, you use tape on wax paper. And once those came out, I of course just cut them, and then this is an optional step, but I grabbed some see-through clear duct tape and I covered them up so that they had like a nice shiny like finish. The bottom paper makes it so that that can like peel off and like reveal the sticky part. And yeah, so I made a whole bunch of stickers for my friends, super customizable, just like the earrings, and they're super fun because like Redbubble ones can be expensive. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had such a fun time making it because obviously all of this stuff is going to be put to good use. I hope that it helped you guys, especially if you're like me and, you know, kind of tight on money, and especially with COVID, it's much harder to go out to a physical store and get stuff. Like everything has to be online. Hopefully it's not too late for you to, you know, find some of these supplies and get to work making a couple of things. I think my personal favorite is anything with the shrink plastic. I think that it's really easy and it's become much more popular this year, especially with like the earring making fad. If you make any of these, let me know, like tag me on like Twitter or TikTok so I can see, and also make sure to obviously subscribe, like this video, comment below, you know, anything to boost the engagement, you know, help a little YouTuber out. Follow me on all my socials. My Instagram right now, I'm doing 7 days of Christmas with all Christmas looks. I've done I think 3 so far by the time this video goes up, and then obviously I'll have 4 more, and then it'll be Christmas, and that's like crazy to me. I feel like this year's been crazy, and we definitely deserve, you know, a little bit of fun and cheer and goodwill toward men in this COVID season. See you in the next one. Bye.